Hello, good morning, friends. So today I am going to define and introduce highly relevant word in basic science, clinical research, diagnosis of many type of human disease conditions, including cancer. And this particular word that I'm interested to discuss here, that is metabopsy. In fact, this particular word as a beginning to define is made up of two words. One that is metab, and second word is OPSY. And that's what I will start here. So this, the word metab, if you look at, actually this metab word itself is derived of metabolites. We know very clearly. Actually, metabolites are a small molecular weight chemical structure or the compound. Those are found in various biological cell system, starting from the prokaryote like bacterial cell, then to the plant cell and animal cell, including human cell, right? So in fact, these are the very important chemical recipes of biological cell system that facilitate various type of metabolic. Even nowadays, these metabolites are playing important role in genetic and epigenetic regulation of cell system. And most importantly, these metabolites are required by each and every kind of the cell for the normal function. And even these metabolites are used as a biomarker for the detection of cancer and many other human diseases. So that was the whole interesting point, was to use this particular word metab. Now we'll come to the another part of this metabopsy, that is OPSY. Actually, this OPSY is a Latin term that describes a procedure and the process where medical examination or inspection of biological samples, it can be tissue, can be cell, it can be urine, saliva, or any other biological material. So altogether, this metab and OPSY, that was combined and to create a new word, that is metabopsy. So now it appears very obvious that this metabopsy, the word itself, has relevance for the study of cell, tissue, and other than basic science and research, the relevance is in the diagnosis of patients. Can be cancer patients or any other human disease like inborn error of metabolism or diabetes or neurodegenerative disorder and many more. So my dear friend, that was the whole, the concept and idea behind this particular word and the definition of the metabopsy. Now we will go to the this metabopsy. In fact, what we are proposing to have the relevance and nomenclature as this way, that metabopsy can be nil metabopsy, where the nils of human subjects can be from any human disease condition or the healthy conditions, can be used for metabopsy profiling. Then it can be tooth metabopsy. It can be also from the urine metabopsy, saliva metabopsy, serum metabopsy, and also it can be cells and tissue metabopsy. So the whole diversification of this particular metabopsy in future that can be made. And then, a very interesting question is always there. What is the whole basis and the need for this metabopsy? So obvious question is that scope and applications of metabopsy, right? So I will describe, then I will conclude here. So as I said, this the whole idea of metabopsy by a particular method and the tool. And if you look at in previous introduction and the other content, we have already shown that we have one vertical tube gel electrophoresis technique where we try to resolve certain method and process for the metabopsy. So this metabopsy can have a scope and applications in like in vitro, in vivo, basic and clinical research. That's why the R&D or the academia or the industry can be involved. Other part is the health patients, services, diagnostic services or health services by the use of this metabopsy and like nail health card and many more we are proposing, and many human diseases like cancer, diabetes, that is a thrust area. Pharmaceutical industries where the evaluation of the drugs efficacy, toxicity can also be catered and can also be provided. And the very interesting last one is the forensic applications, but the government agencies may be involved, like nail metabopsy, where the huge scope is to identify certain drugs or the toxin or the threatful chemicals, those are uh, exposed to the human subject, that can be also assessed. That is where the government agency like police department and many other agencies, forensic agencies, may have scope or the suitable applications. And definitely this metabopsy is in evolution phase and it will keep it on evolving as per the need of the methods and the applications. Thank you very much for watching. And I'm sure slowly and slowly the whole idea of metabopsy will get sensitized and better information, more information will be gathered in due course of time. And thank you very much.